Imagine scrolling through your feed and seeing a breathtaking shot of a dog riding a surfboard, perfectly catching a wave. Or maybe it's a hilarious clip of a cat wearing sunglasses lounging by a pool. You watch, mesmerized, but then a thought hits you. Was that real, or was it created by AI? It's getting harder and harder to tell, right? We live in a world where technology is constantly pushing boundaries, and AI video generation is the next big wave. We've seen AI tackle images with incredible results, and now, it's time for video to get the same treatment. Enter Sora, OpenAI's latest project aiming to do just that. From bustling cityscapes to serene beaches, AI-generated videos are becoming indistinguishable from reality. So, next time you watch a video, ask yourself, is it real or is it Sora? With Sora, the line between reality and AI is blurrier than ever. So, what exactly is Sora? In a nutshell, Sora is an AI model designed to generate videos from text prompts, much like DALL-E does for images. You simply tell it what you want to see, a golden retriever puppy wearing a party hat, running through a field of flowers, and boom, Sora gets to work creating it. Now I've been fortunate enough to get my hands on early access to Sora, and let me tell you, it's pretty mind-blowing. It's still early days, but the potential here is absolutely insane. We're talking about a tool that could completely revolutionize how we create and consume video content. Sora's capabilities extend beyond simple video generation. It can edit, enhance, and even suggest creative elements to make your videos stand out. Imagine having an AI partner that not only brings your vision to life but also inspires you with new ideas. With Sora, the future of video creation is not just about automation, it's about collaboration and innovation. The possibilities are endless. Using Sora is surprisingly intuitive. The interface is clean and straightforward. You type in your prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. What's really cool is that you can specify things like the art style, camera movements, and even the mood you're going for. Want a Wes Anderson vibe? Sora can do that. Need something more along the lines of a nature documentary? Sora's got you covered. But the real game changer is the level of control it gives you. Let's say Sora generates that puppy video, but you want the puppy to be wearing a blue collar instead of a red one. No problem, you can just edit the prompt and regenerate, or even use text prompts to edit the video directly. It's like having a video editor built right into the AI. Users love how easy and powerful it is, making video creation a breeze. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, Sora adapts to your needs seamlessly. With Sora, the future of video creation is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Section 4. The need for speed. Is Sora really that fast? Okay, let's talk speed. One of the biggest bottlenecks with AI generation, whether it's images or music, is the time it takes to render. But Sora seems to be surprisingly quick on its feet. In my experience, generating a short, high-quality video clip takes around the same time as rendering a complex image in something like Midjourney. Of course, this will vary depending on the complexity of the video, but it's still impressive to see AI video generation happening in a time frame that's actually usable for creators. Imagine being able to storyboard an entire video using AI-generated clips in a matter of minutes. That's the kind of power Sora is bringing to the table. And it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency too. Sora optimizes the workflow, making the entire video creation process smoother and faster. With Sora, you can focus more on creativity and less on waiting for renders. That's the future of video creation. Section 5. The good, the bad, and the pixelated, Sora's hits and misses. Now, before we get too carried away, it's important to remember that Sora, like any new technology, isn't perfect. It still has its quirks and limitations. For example, while it's great at generating individual shots, creating longer, more complex sequences with multiple characters and intricate storylines is still a work in progress. There are also times when the AI gets a little confused, resulting in some interesting visual glitches. I've seen everything from objects defying the laws of physics to characters morphing into bizarre abstract shapes. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? It's like watching a technology learn and evolve in real time. On the flip side, when Sora gets it right, the results can be truly impressive. From stunning visual effects to seamless transitions, Sora has the potential to revolutionize video creation. So, while there are hits and misses, the future looks bright for Sora. Stay tuned as we continue to explore its capabilities. Section 6. The future of video, will AI take over? So, what does this all mean for the future of video creation? Will AI replace human video editors and filmmakers altogether? Sora and tools like it are going to have a profound impact on the industry. We're already seeing AI being used to automate tasks like video editing and special effects. With Sora, that automation potential just went up a notch. Will it replace human creativity entirely? I highly doubt it. But it's going to give creators incredible new tools to tell stories in ways we never thought possible. Maybe one day, we'll all have our own personal AI video editors, helping us create unique and engaging content. It's an exciting time to be a creator, that's for sure. The future holds endless possibilities, and AI will be at the forefront of this creative revolution. So let's embrace this change and see where it takes us.